good, folks? It's Jet Boost. I know it's been a really long time, but today's is gonna be an update on the build. We're gonna go see the car, and been having a lot of issues with fuel wise. Probably during the transference. If you guys don't know, I'm like due to my job, I'm like relocated to El Paso, Texas. So due to like from South Carolina or North Carolina to Texas, I think something went wrong with the fuel pump. So we've been going through issues. Pretty much, cars were running fine. It's just when it gets under load, it starts having like a lean problem. It goes lean. The fuel goes lean. So like I said, we checked the surge. I had good guys at SVS Performance here look over and everything, because I honestly did all the troubleshoot I can. They were talking to Ray and everything, and Ray from RZG Motorsports who tuned the car. So they're going back and forth and everything, trying to figure it out. And we figure, I think they think the in-tank pump, because you guys know I have a surge tank with 2 pumps, so the in-tank pump went bad, which was at 45. So hit up RZG Motorsports to get me a good old new fuel pump. The first time I'm opening it. So I had a 45 and I decided I'll go bigger. So I went to pretty much a 525, which is a Hellcat pump. Comes out of the Dodge, good old Hellcat. So that's pretty new. So probably in a few hours here, I'll probably fast forward this. We'll ride over to SVS when they open and turn this in. And we get this popping. I'll probably start the car up, walk you guys through the car and everything, and show where everything's been, do a build breakdown. I'll talk about the dyno numbers, which is in the last video, and we'll just go over everything. So let's go. Got the fuel pump over here. On the way now to SVS to check on the car. We're gonna do a walk around and everything, and that's it. So back to where I was. So I'll hear you what's new in the car. So last time you guys saw the car from the dyno, and the car makes 728. 17 pounds, a fully stock block. It's a stock VHR bottom, VHR heads. The car is originally is an HR. Nothing is done to the motor internally. Only thing I'm planning to do soon is do cams, valve springs, and that's probably it. Yeah, only thing done I got rid of my seats. I raffled them off. I don't know if you guys saw on Instagram and everything. And I did the short shifter, and I got new boost and AFR gauges because the AFR gauges start acting funky. That's pretty much it. So car's still on E98. Like I said, I'm in El Paso, Texas now, and everything. That's pretty much it. So I'm about to head over to the shop. This is a new daily well as well. Got a last time I had the BMW, but now I got a truck, something to tow with now. We're about to head over here and everything. Hey, my next video is gonna be, hopefully, it's gonna be a full drive, take the car for a drive and everything works, and just drive around and see you guys how the car sounds, how it drives and everything, and do some pulls in it here and there. But I want you guys to, if you want, go on Instagram, and I'll probably be doing a Q&A. When this video drops, I'll be doing a Q&A for what you guys want me to ask on like the build breakdown, when I sit there and talk about everything that's done to the car and everything. I think everything is pretty much the same. Only thing we X'd out that's different is there's no more meth, and we went back to stock throttle bodies, and that's it. And I'll explain later on the build breakdown why we did that. But once again, I want to say thanks to SVS for the helping with the maintenance and everything, me moving like halfway across the country due to my job and everything. But also definitely helped to Ray. He's not one of those tuners that just tunes you and you just fall off the face of it. You know, I'm sponsored by RZG, so they've been helping me fully along the way. I get all my parts from them. Everything I need, I get from them. So if you guys definitely, please head over to RZG Motorsports on Instagram. Check them out. Give them a follow. Give them a DM and everything. That'll help you out. But let's go. Head over to the shop, and I'll show you guys the car. Ooh. Oh, yeah, we got some big old radios for... Oh, yeah. This big, nice old Yui. Super over there. Ooh. Hey, baby. All right, let's go and get these boys this fuel pump, and I'll come out and do a review on the car. So, hold on. Super though.
Let's go trans. Yeah, shoot me a text. We'll figure something out. Just so I can keep checking. There was something I noticed the day that you came, which was that variant on that wheel speed sensor, and I'm wondering, I like the curve right there. It's bugging me. It's not confirmation, but me, it's me. Because the transmission I got shifting off of the non-driven.
TJ's everywhere, man. I'm trying to raise this one, though. Said he makes 1,500 horsepower. I'm gonna get by this. So, still got the HKS 4-inch. So I went with the 15x8, 5.5 backspace, 275, 60-15. That's all it is. I'm thinking about getting a 17x10 for the rear, and just running that, cause like I grip really good, but like my acceleration is like really slow. But I think it's because the tire's so tall. But pretty much, so the whole issue is the harness for the surge tanks, which I'll show you later or in a second. Those running, the harness wasn't all the way plugged in. Like it was a short in the harness. It wasn't grounded, right? So my in-tank pump was doing all the work, and I think it's slow. It's burning out since we got those running. So it's not pumping enough. It's not pumping enough fuel to fill the surge tank. Yeah. There you go. So some work. Took the seat out for now so they can easily work on the tank. So got the gap mount. The gap mount for Rizzy and Ray. New gauges. Ooh, colorful. Need to get some more good old E98. Oh man. Sweet. Let's start her. She cold. It's probably gonna shut off on the bog because it's E98 because how cold it is. Yeah, I told you. It's probably cut off. It's like really cold here. This thing's not used to this. It should be straight now. Cold. I relocated the boost controller to here. Fix that. I got OCD, y'all. Alright, I'll mess with that later. But that's that. Gauges. Here's the fuel pump. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but like the fire is not, so I don't know if y'all can hear it, but like the fire is not like consecutive. It's not like a straight fire. It's like it'll go in, out, go in, out. We relocated the battery to the back. Got my secondary tank back, or like a little tank back there just in case. Jumper cables, because you never know. Let's go pop the hood on this. I'll let y'all hear the rip. Nothing really different. This is where the meth was. We welded it up. Z1 manifold. Still same boosted performance turbo kit for those who don't know. It's a 6466. It's like right there, but it's really dark. It's a mid-mount turbo kit. I have my oil scavenger pump right here on the bumper. It feeds to there, or to the turbo. There's the surge tank. Surge tank has 2 fuel pumps in it. I think they're like, I want to say 325 fuel pumps there in it. 2 325. Need a power fuel pump today. So yeah, guys, just getting back to the vlogging. That's what it is. So that fuel pump is probably the last issue, and thank God that is it, because this thing has been a struggle. That's why I've been vlogging. But definitely stay posted, you guys. I'm gonna start posting more pull videos and everything, but definitely stay tuned. That's pretty much it, guys. Oh yeah, man. Fuel pressure regulator, all that. Really not much else. I think what else? Yeah, I'm probably gonna go a 17 by 10. This for the rear, so I think that tire is too tall. So that's pretty much it, guys. So definitely comment, like, subscribe, tell your friends about it, because definitely some big moves are coming. 2019, I'm trying to get back on my stuff, get right. Just trying to get the car right. So if you guys have any questions, drop in the comments. I'm gonna start getting more active on YouTube, answer questions and stuff. But that's pretty much it, guys. Car's getting there slowly. Like I said, it's just when you have, I don't know, I feel like when you have a car this much power, if anybody's this much horsepower and everything, you build a car like this, it has issues. It really just has issues. So throttle response is like way better. All right, guys, but comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Appreciate it. Peace.
All red like your blood, I call it death. On the track they said it's over, but I got a quarter left. I clutch it right, whip game, you should see me with the left. 4-inch pipe and I ain't talking about your girl giving neck. I never come out of surprise, 350 never left. Got some horsepower with me, if I park it can flex. I call the shots, on the streets it's black and white, ain't a ref. 62, 67, when they whistle feeling blessed. I gotta scream AK, so I cop the RPF. Straight back to the engine, now I'm moving, know what's next. I might just build some fucking awesome, say my car really strapped. Then I pull up on a relay like some shit from Men in Black.